Here's how you can make your Snapchat account private. So in this tutorial, I'll exactly show you how you can make your Snapchat account private. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just basically open up Snapchat. And once you're in Snapchat, you just need to go ahead and press on your Bitmoji. I don't have a Bitmoji, but you'll see something on the corner. Just basically press on that. And once you're inside your account, you simply need to first of all clear your public profile, because if you have a public profile, you can basically do your private stuff. So in order to do that, just basically go to your settings, and once inside settings, you simply need to go to your public profile settings. And right over here, you will see some of these options, but you'll see the option of clear public profile. So I don't want to clear my public profile, but if you want to do, just go ahead and press on this red icon which says clear public profile, and you will be successfully able to clear your public profile, which will actually make your account more private. Now you just need to go ahead and scroll down until you see the option of privacy controls. Now here, first up, you just got to go ahead and press on see my location, and right over here you'll see some options like ghost mode, my friends accept, and only these friends. So you can specifically choose what kind of friend you can choose for your Snapchat account, but if you don't want to share location to anyone, you can just go ahead and turn on ghost mode, and just like I've turned it on, and nobody will be able to see your location. So if you don't know how to turn it on, basically it's just like that, and turn it on just like that and press on until turned off, and here you go. Now ghost mode is basically enabled. And right after that, you'll see some more options. We'll just go through that. Now view my story option. Now in this option, just go ahead and press on view my story, and here you can see you get two options, custom and my friends. So you can just go ahead and press on my friends, because only your friends can be able to view your story, or you can go custom and select none of your friends, and that will make more privacy. Now you'll see the option of see me in quick add. Now here you just gotta turn this option off just like that, and what this would do, it will no longer show your account to others in the quick add option, and it will make your Snapchat account somehow private. And yeah, once you've done all these, you're pretty much good to go after that. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can actually make your Snapchat account private. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.